Hi, my name is Sarvesh. I've been asked by my friend to test his website, Big Smile. I'm an international student in Melbourne. I'm excited to see how this can be of help to me. Right, I'm at the homepage. Find a public dental clinic. You're Australia refugee and international student. Okay. Right, so it picks up my current location. Second language, French. Okay. So I guess it shows me dental clinics that speak English and French near me, right? And okay, so it takes me to their website if I want to read more, and also gives me an option to navigate to the clinic, right? It would be nice if this information had some context. Is it 42% of all children in the world, or Australia, or Melbourne? Dental healthcare in Australia. Okay, so I'm an international student. Dental care in Victoria. Okay. Australia has agreements with several countries. Okay, I don't know this. Okay, so they have the fee breakdown, which is good. Alright, this is good information. As an international student, this would definitely be of use for me. Diets and habits for dental health. Tips for healthy teeth. Okay, this is good. So I guess in our busy schedule, if we need advice about dental health, this website would be very useful. Some of the information here, I had no idea about it. Okay. Nutrient intake calculator. Okay. Rice. Rice. Okay. Rice crackers. Okay, so they give me nutritional facts about the food that I choose. Okay, what about noodles? Okay, so they give a breakdown of the nutritional contents of the food that I choose, which is pretty useful. One thing I've noticed is that this navigation doesn't work, I feel. Let me check it out. Yeah, this doesn't seem to work. Right. Apart from that, I feel this is a very useful website. It's nice that they've broken it down into places that people commonly migrate from to Australia. have a language service. Yes, local health. Alright. If in the future, if I need help with any sort of dental problem, I'm sure I would visit this website.